Welcome to our foreign market entry plan into China. Our group consists of Michael Allen, Helen Moenoa, Stuart Nielson, Nolan, and Quentin Oppenlander. In today's presentation, we will introduce our new product idea and new business proposal to launch in China. Please note any questions you may have, and we will be happy to address them at the end of our presentation.
The chop socket is our new product that is a pop socket that holds chopsticks. It would adhere to the existing phone case using VHB tape so that it can always be with you. The chop socket would function just like a pop socket phone holder, but the top of it would be concave so you could rest your chopsticks on it when your phone is face down on the table. Also, we would develop them to be able to pop apart and be used as a standalone holder. As this will be our first product of its kind, we will get to set the standard to ensure our initial products are of premium quality. The product will be made of durable polycarbonate plastic that is very strong. We'd also put an antimicrobial coating on the product to protect it from the spread of bacteria and viral infections. We would use a ceramic that is shatterproof for our chopstick holding portion. On this chopstick holding portion, we can put different images and plan to release different lines with different images. Our initial image will likely be the panda bear. VRIO stands for Value, Rarity, Immutability, and Organization. The chop socket's value is as a versatile cell phone accessory meets dining tool designed to help simplify life by providing a practical and aesthetic solution for keeping chopsticks off the table and clean. It is a rare product as there's not anything exactly like it. Upon release, its design and features would provide a certain level of rarity. The level of immutability depends on various factors, including intellectual property protection and brand reputation. China primarily follows a first-to-file rule for IP registration. We can file our IP to help protect against being copied. Since our company, Simple Life, is organized around this product and creating and selling simple products to make life easier, this should help create a strong brand organization and give us some competitive advantage.
The chop socket's main competitor will be the product it is designed after, the pop socket. Although the pop socket dominates the majority of the market share for this type of phone accessory, it is not the only type we will compete against. Another popular accessory similar to our product would be a ring grip, like you can see here on the left from iRing, or other small companies like you can see on the right, that mainly sell online primarily through sites like Amazon and Alibaba. Other phone grip accessories will not pose as much competition because of the unique solution we propose with our product that helps differentiate us, yet still appeals to the majority of those who buy into the pop socket. Market demographics for our company will be in the age range from 18 to 35. China has the highest number of smartphone users in the world with over 1 billion users as of 2022 and an upward growth trend. The largest percentage of smartphone users within China are in the age range of 18 to 24 and 25 to 34 years of age. The psychographics indicate this age group of Gen Z Chinese citizens are most likely to spontaneously buy products, become loyal to a brand that offers an array of value-added services, and shop more from individual merchants on e-commerce because they want transparency. Geographically, we would target the largest cities with over 10 million people, the largest being Shanghai with over 22 million people. We would be able to expand and grow within the remaining cities throughout China as they have over 160 cities that can boast a population of over 1 million people.
Our brand is all about simplicity. It's about a simple life. You see right there, our logo is designed to reflect this with simple life in Chinese characters on a very minimalist background. And our logo is cartoony, designed to reflect those messages. Our product is designed to take your life and give it simplicity so that you can enjoy all the other aspects of your life by taking away stress and areas. So again, our whole brand is built upon this, and our logo is designed to reflect that, as well as everything else that we present to the market.
According to the International Trade Administration, China is the largest e-commerce market globally, generating almost 50% of the world's transactions. So while it would be nice to sell our chop sockets from a brick-and-mortar location, we are focusing solely online. Because we feel a storefront is not ideal for our product, our sales strategy will deal less with physical employees and more with online advertising and sales. Promoting our product on the right sites to reach our demographic and linking customers through a simple click and ship purchase will be the smoothest process for our customers and the company. Creating flash sales, banners, and product info ads will attract customers, and simple links like QR codes will make the process easy. We are open to distributors who would like to place our product in retail stores only if we can ensure that they are trusted, as there is always risk of product duplication and black market knockoffs. Our choices for retail shops include Taobao, popular for cost-conscious consumers, and Tmall, which sells mid to high-end products. Both of these are retail subsidiaries of Alibaba, our choice for wholesale supplier. We have prepared a mock-up flash sale banner to promote our products on the most popular sites: Baidu, similar to Google, Weibo, think Twitter, and WeChat, the most popular messaging app in China. Here is a sample of our banner and jingle.
Chop socket, utensil docket, pop it right on and your hygiene is locked in. Your cuisine, safe and clean. Chop socket is a dream.
So our pricing strategy is pretty simple. We want to stay in parity with our competition, the pop socket. So we look at our pricing. I'm going to use the US dollars here. So the basic model is $15, the wallet's $24, and the case and chop socket is $60. We have products that are designed to go on the premium end, so that people have high-end products they can purchase. But in general, we want to stay in line with their competition to help us as we carve out our area in the niche.
We reviewed 5 different modes of entry. We've concluded the best path would be to find a contract manufacturer within China as our best mode of entry. As such, we have determined to send our subcomponents of a plastic chop socket and ceramic chopstick holder to be assembled by Guangzhou Shiny Electric Technology Limited. They are located in the suburb of Hangzhou near Shanghai, where we will be operating. Their prices usually range from 45 cents to 85 cents per piece when creating them. Though their prices are a bit higher than most suppliers, it is because of how open they are to full customization and assembly of products.
As we think about using a contract manufacturer, there are a couple of items we will keep in mind to mitigate delays and ensure that we maintain the highest standard of quality in our production run. We will work closely with our manufacturer to choose a supplier that will meet our standards of timeliness and quality. We will establish clear and consistent communication channels, expectations, and feedback mechanisms with our contract manufacturer. We have detailed schematics and blueprints to ensure we give a clear understanding of our product vision. These steps will help us maintain a trust-filled, quality, long-lasting relationship moving towards our goals.
The chop socket will be entirely sourced, manufactured, and assembled in China except one part. It will feature a shatterproof ceramic chopstick holder that we will need to import from the US. This is our preferred material and will be produced in California by Stanford Advanced Materials. This is a round concave ceramic part. This part that we need to ship to China is rather small. This allows us to have flexibility in our shipping methods. Overall, air transportation may be our best way to go, as we would not have our components in transit as long, and it will shorten our shipping and production times. Also, the cost difference is not that much comparing ocean and air transportation when working with the size of our ceramic component.
After studying 3 different strategies, ethnocentric, polycentric, and geocentric, our team is recommending the geocentric approach to filling our positions in China. Hiring the right person for each position is essential to our success and growth. We will focus on transferring strong leaders from within the company who live and love our vision and culture and are able to duplicate it in our Simple Life branch in this host country. We hope to attract and acquire strong business-minded individuals in China who will guide our company through the cultural nuances and business protocols, which will allow us to build solid relationships with the Chinese government, business world, and especially the citizens themselves. We can allow the Chinese nationals to teach the team delicate communication styles and cultural norms when doing business there. This will probably consume a large portion of our project budget, but it is necessary to establish ourselves as a standout in China.
The company's organizational chart is as follows. Owners that consist of our team as we create this business and start the company in China. We will oversee all the operations from start to finish. The marketing director creates strategic marketing plans for our target market. The sales director develops sales strategies, tactics, and action plans. The supply chain director creates manufacturing processes, coordinates with key distributors and clients. Human resources director sources and retains qualified human capital. The operations director will manage our margins, cost budgeting, and forecasting at the company. Owners, operations, and HR would be expats, as we would need to use those departments to create the culture that we want internally, while marketing, sales, and supply chain benefit from hiring in Shanghai, as they will be able to build local partnerships and understand the local market. Our compensation package will offer a competitive $150,000 to $250,000 salary range, including a foreign service premium of 10%. We will also offer allowances and assistance with the following: relocation assistance for expatriates, housing stipend if outside the city, tax assistance as the company will help pay the U.S. taxes, family health insurance, retirement plans, spousal assistance helping them with documentation and finding another job opportunity they can relocate to, language and cultural training, performance-based incentives to reward helping the company grow and hit their goals, and paid home travel for expatriates' families back home to their country of origin every 2 years.
This concludes our entry plan into China. We welcome any questions, comments, or concerns.